Ha kabayday bat kajingshna ikusrok ha kajela. Ha kajingalang kablalum do ba Preston Tunsong ledon lang ru Chief Secretary kajela ba DP walang ki he officer jong kitanat sarkar kebagantup na katanat Forest Revenue PHE MEECL katanat penmi boarding bat PWD ha kabakliatai kabayday ba kajingshna ya kasurok Shillong Dauki kasurok Nongston Kershai Rambrai kasurok Mahesh Khola Ranikor Bakmara bat kiwe-kiwe. Uba Preston ulaong ba kidan gijing kibarit kibalami nakaliang katanat Forest ke PHE bat ke MEECL hagaban pen kenria kikat to kani gibenta bat ban pen kenria ki pos elektrik kenrai kelala ban pen bet no ikini ulaong bahalor ke jingshna ke surok na Shillong Shadauki keladon kikat to kani gibenta ba kitra jaka kem trek ban pediang ya ka bai jaka bat kumtala betha agi Deputy Commissioner bagian penyat cikemat ya kena kam bat ban pen sutu agi tra jaka bagian pediang no ya ka bai jaka. Uli turu badan kitra jaka ke belapan pau bagajing ai ya ke bai jaka kalau ke barit palat. Ndai gradan 4 ke belapan pau bakim trek ban ai ya ke jaka jongki. Ha ke bedai bagajing snai ke surok 4 lane na jingking Sherpi Syah Nyomer ha apa Shillong. Uba Preston Tunsong ulah pentip beladap ban khot tanda biang bat hadian beladap ban pendap igi kam ki jambaro. La kemi lenti ba ha unok pra mentagasnam. On IT ya ke work order ban snano ekne ke surok.
MECL, Power and PWD relating to the progress of Shillong Dauki Road, and number 2 is relating to the progress of Nongston Ramrai Kershai Road, and also relating to the progress of work in the Mahesh Khola site, Ranikor, Mahesh Khola up to Bakmara. We reviewed it today very nicely, and small issues were there. Sometimes it happened with the forest department, sometimes it happened with PHE department for shifting of utility, and then sometimes it happens with MECL for again shifting of electric pole and all. So now we already resolved that by any means it should be completed, all this process before November end. Means on or before 30th of November, we'll be able to resolve all these issues. And secondly, we discussed about few stretch of Shillong and Dauki Road, where some portions of landowners, they are still not willing to accept the compensation. So again, we have directed the Deputy Commissioners, East Castles, even all the Deputy Commissioners join us online. So we discussed, we instructed to all of them to pursue this matter and also to convince the landowners to accept the land compensation as early as possible so that the land can be handed over to NHITCL for implementation of road construction.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela uli tu ba kejingalang kale keren ru akabaidai bat kejinglong jengman jo kejingking duar kesuj. Bat ekani kesurok ba lapet bat kemi dakan National Highway Authority of India. Bat mentah kidang penelong ya kejing maramot ya kejing jular jong kejingking duar kesuj. Kabadan hak Umroi Constituency hak distrik Ribhoi. Ulang bahadian baladat ban maramot ansa syak biang ya kali ban yat tang bakan donno kejing bu kendon bagi kali kan omla ban kit palat put. Bagi yat nak kena jaka. Bat la betharu your project director ke National Highway Authority of India ba udai bandan bet kena jaka. Bat ban pendap kloi kat bala ekakam ban pensuk ya kalit kawan upat ba. Uba Preston Tunsong ule turu ba kejingshna ya kejingki yang duar kesut ke bethamai kaliat cakmat. Bat u kontraktor ulai ya kejing penti kena bah kini kisau nesan banai on ya lek ban shna pendap no ya kena kejingkiang. Ha kabedai bagajing temu bencana kejingki yang damsait ke Batamai. Uba Preston Tunsong ulong, bahkan National Highway Authority of India keladap ban IT yang ke project syah ke NHIDCL. Bat ke Sarkar Jela ke donru kejing temu bencana ke surok 4 lane daduk na umyam syaduk Shillong. Kata lada yo ya ke jaka na kitra jaka. Balada kam yo ya ke jaka kan senano ya ke surok 4 lane ha ke Shillong Eastern Bypass. Ke ban mi syakatan mau diang-diang ban penesok bat kanong ba Shillong.
Te kumakolong ina Maria tu pada kasrok kapek na kaliang jok National Highway na hai. Te menta ke repairing work is on. La kumuru after 3 days hadin laiski nangis kem bagi ala ban again allow you can traffic baganya But of course, the traffic kan mulai ban ong ba South Pole, San Pole kan, then mulai kin restrict ku katuan ni ya ka ni ka way jong ki commercial vehicles ka ya data. Dia ka jo kuan ngi direction ni project director jong nai ba un station yang tai bat ba un pendep ploy ka bala ya ni ka. Dia ni don ka plan ha ka bai dei nadu nak ken adam. Hadu aslong begin convert cakap full lane. Subjected pada lagi yo ya cakap. Dia lagi apa begin yo cakap. Ru ngile ya kan ka ka full lane. Tam ngila ban ya no syaka eastern part. Namun mentah ke western bypass, Shillong western bypass, mentah kelanang ya cakap. Dia mentah ngi pelan ru bandon sekata ka Shillong eastern bypass. Kabale saya kan ni somewhere sini line area mau diam. Bahkan connect pada biang siapa tu ka Shillong bypass. Dia kata dia bagi nak don ka initial stage kumno balai.
Halur kejing keno unong yalam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul M. Sangma bak sorkar MDA kamdan satya ki scheme ki bak hamper ki bammi na ka Integrated Basin Development and Livelihood Promotion IBDLP. Uba prestun tensong ulong bagi patba kejela kimdan jingshan ya shu u Dr. Mukul M. Sangma ubalong u menteri rangba berem kejela bad unong yalam jong ke Trinamool Congress bad ula keno bu Dr. Mukul M. Sangma ula sami masi bad ai kesong pisa ba san hajar tengka syaka wei pukoi kelong yeng ha kesnam arajar khat nyo ha shwaki election bad kadai ke jingle ke babakla uba presiden tensong ulong bu Dr. Mukul M. Sangma ulalong menteri rangba kejela haduk prasnam ndrai shimlala ban pendap iki project ki ba kongsan jong kejela bad di ban kelinu balai uklamla ban pendap ya ke hotel Kroboro ndrai ke sarkar MDA kelala ban play ke hotel bad shan on sapleno ya ke Marriott Hotel Hajil Road.
I think before election 2017, what he did, even even the cattle, he distributed cattle, and then he gave 5,000 to each family. I don't know what he has done, and then there, in fact, it's so irregular, I should say. So therefore, I think you should ask from Dr. Mukul Sangma himself. But what we are doing right now, be it focus, be it a pride, we are doing well, and then and people who receive it also, be it the SHG, be it the society, and be it the cooperative society. I mean, they are being blessed with these schemes. We implement it. But ultimately, under the leadership of Konrad Sangma, Chief Minister, the present Chief Minister, the MDA government, we are able to complete it. And number two, now we are going to again inaugurate even JW Marriott Hotel in Jail Road. That also next month is going to happen. So see, I would like to just tell you, let Mukul say anything, whatever, because he don't have any issue anymore to say. And I know well, people also does not trust him anymore.